Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we've got issue 70 of Hachette Partworks Build the Terminator. So issue 70, we're getting closer and closer to finishing this model. So I think we've only got about 50 odd issues left, maybe 55 issues left. So let me show you what we're doing in this one. So as you can see, these are the parts we get, very similar to what we got in the last one where we built one of the foot tendons and the actual toe. Looks like we're doing two more in this one. So let me show you what we're going to be doing. These are the parts you get. Make sure you cross-reference them and make sure these parts are in there. So basically we're going to be doing exactly the same as last time, bringing back our Allen key, fitting a grub screw, and yeah, putting some pegs in until we've got basically two of these made up, and we'll have two at the end. And then coming up next time, we're going to fit the final two toes and assemble the right foot and connect it to the ankle joint. Yeah, so nice and easy in this one. So yeah, we've done a bit of this before in the last issue, so it should be nice and simple. So let's get the parts open and start building. Okay, to start off this one, we're going to use these parts here. These are marked on the side with, just like the last time where we had the number 1, this one has got the number 2, and so does this one have the number 2. And on here, on these two, we've got the number 3 just on there. So make sure you get the right ones with the right ones. And this one is just going to go together onto the bottom one, just onto there. And make sure you get the smaller end again onto here. There's one side threaded, one side not. So put the threaded side at the bottom. Line that up just like that. Take one of your grub screws and your Allen key. So now you can drop that into there and just screw that down into there. We want to go so it's flush either side and not poking out, so around about there, and that is flush on either side, just like that. Now we're going to be bringing in this part here. As you can see, we've got a recessed part in there and it's flush on the other side. So have the recessed part to the top, line that up, take one of our sleeves, and that's going to slide down into there. So keeping that lined up, push that down into there, just like that. Now we can bring back these, which we're going to take 2 off. So you can just twist them off. There's one. I'm going to need another one for the toe as well. So I'm going to take 2 off for that. And now we can push this through the top, all the way down. Good squeeze, just like that. Now that's nice and flush with that on there. I've done exactly the same to fit the toe. It has got a recessed part in the toe as well. I don't know why there's a recessed part in the toe, because the pin is not to sit in the recessed part of the toe like that. It's to sit in here. So this doesn't actually need to have the recessed part in it. But yeah, we'll get our sleeve. We're going to push that one through as well, all the way through, and then take our pin, and that's going through the top there as well. Just like that. And that is toe number 2 complete. So now we've just got to repeat the same process again, but this time with toe number 3. So we're going to be bringing back this part and get toe number 3, and as before, have the threaded side to the bottom, slide that onto there. Now we can take our grub screw, drop that down, screw it in, just like that. And now it's just the case of attaching this part here. So again, the smaller part with the recessed part at the top. Slide in our sleeve. We're going to take 2 more pins off of here for this one. So that's 1 and 2. Just push this pin into here, like that. And now we're going to be adding the toe onto here. So let's slide that one in with the sleeve again. And the last pin. And yeah, that one hasn't gone down flush, as you can see on there. So we're going to push this down. And there we go. That's that one, nice and flush now. So now we've got 3 toes, all numbered from number 1, 2, and 3. So as I said earlier, we're going to be making 2 more of these and then attaching them to the actual foot section itself in the next video. That one should be out next Thursday. So that's it, guys. That's issue 70 of our Terminator, all done and dusted, and it looks really, really good. These tails are coming along really nicely, and yeah, it's nice that they're all die cast as well. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.